Ito guys, panoorin natin ito, isang artistahing bata na si Prince Kian Vicente.
Everybody loves the things you do, and the way you talk. Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home, like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, and I have a moment.
Inosente ng mukha, no? Napaka-inosente.
Just I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this lighting, in case this is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old. It made us restless.
Galing na bata.
It was just like a movie. It was just like the song. I was so scared to face my fears, 'cause nobody told me. And I swear you move overseas. That's what you said when you left me. You look like a movie, sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this lighting, in case this is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old. It made us restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. When we were young, when we were young, when we were young, when we were young. It's hard to admit me back. Everything just takes me back to when you were there, to when you were there. And a part of me keeps holding on, just in case your cousin gone. I guess I still care. Do you still care? It was just like a
Ang
movie.
cute. Napaka-inosente talaga panoorin.
It was just like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young.
Ibinirit.
When we were young.
Yun ba yung title nun? When We Were Young?
We were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case this is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old. It made me restless. Oh, I'm so mad of getting old. It makes me reckless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. When we were young.
Ang galing. Napakagaling mo. Thanks for watching. Ayan. So yun po, inulit, hindi po ako masyadong nagsasalita or nag-react sa mga or sa performance niya doon. Explain ko mamaya. Pero ngayon, ngayon mo lang sasabihin ko muna kung ano yung komento ko tungkol sa kanyang pagkanta. So inulit ko nga po, napakagaling, napaka-inosente ng mukha, napaka-inosente ng boses. And although medyo matamlay siya dito, this video po kasi is last year pa yata, August 2024. And I believe doon sa naging description is nakalagay doon na kakagaling lamang niya sa sakit. So ibig sabihin is hindi pa siya gaanong naka-recover siguro ang katawan. Kaya siguro ganoon medyo matamlay siya panoorin or pakinggan. Pero yun naman, overall, ang performance is napakaganda naman. Magaling talaga itong batang ito. Si Prince Kian Vicente po ay naging finalist, hindi siya finalist, naging contender na sa Tawag ng Tanghalan Kids Season 2 sa It's Showtime. And marami na din siyang mga nasalihan na iba't ibang mga contest. So, ibig sabihin is, nahasa na yung kanyang boses, na-practice na siya sa pag-perform. And yun, magaling na bata talaga siya. Marami siyang mga cover songs sa kanyang Facebook page na Prince Kian Vicente. So sana i-support nyo po siya, i-follow po ang kanyang Facebook profile or Facebook page. Ayan po. And regarding po dun sa sa reaction, yun, wala po akong masyadong sinasabi or hindi po ako masyadong nag-react sa performance niya while singing. Kasi may mga nagko-comments, hindi naman marami, mga 2 or 3 na ayun nga, huwag daw akong magsalita habang kumakanta. Pero yun po kasi yung way ko para makapag-react po, kasi mahirap naman po na syempre, halimbawa kumakanta yung isang singer, kumakanta yung isang talent, tapos may nakita ako na dapat i-react. Ano namang aantayin ko pa na matapos yung kanta niya bago ako mag-react. Hindi na siya, di ba? Hindi na siya relevant. Hindi na siya relevant. Kaya yung ginagawa ko sa mga ibang mga videos in the past ay kung may makita ako na dapat reactionan, ay talagang nagre-react ako. Hindi naman siya ganun kalakas yung boses ko siguro. Ina-adjust ko naman ito pag i-edit. At the same time, kapag instrumental, doon naman ako nagsasalita para hindi masyadong makapag-disturbo. Pero ang ang purpose ko talaga ng ginagawa ko is reaction video. So natural po talaga na magsasalita ako every time na may ginagawa na ako ng reaction video, kasi hindi na siya matatawag na reaction video kung hindi ako magsasalita. And also nakalagay po sa screen or sa description yung source or courtesy or kung saan ko galing na kuha ang post or ang video. So ang purpose po noon is para i-follow nyo sila, and yung mga ayaw ng interruption, ayaw ng may reaction video, yung tuloy-tuloy ang panonood, ay pwede nyo pong panoorin doon sa nakalagay na courtesy or CTTO sa aking ipinopost na video. Yun po yung purpose nun. Pero kayo na po ang bahala maghanap kung saang parte or saang banda or anong date, anong araw nakapost po yun. Kaya nga po, kasi hindi naman mga updated, sometimes hindi mga updated na songs or hindi mga bagong post ang aking ginagawa ng reaction videos. Minsan is mga 2023, 2024, 2022 na mga videos. Kaya kayo na po bahala maghanap. Ayan. So thank you po once again. God bless and bye for now po.